What is up? That's the third, fourth. I can't remember how many videos in a row. That's you never. Let's try it again. What is up?
What is up?
That's better. We are pulling into Dairy Queen. Why? Because it's cold as hell outside and we want ice cream. Because that makes sense, right? What do you want? Oh yeah. Oh, do they have the new Snickerdoodle cookie dough? Harvest berry pie, caramel. A new cinnamon roll shake. I get a small one.
Sure.
Okay.
I feel like
That? I never given her that.
well, no, like something like a shake from some of the companies.
Yeah, gotta get that. Peanut butter pie blizzard? Shut up. I think I'm gonna try that.
Danger 292, go and shut out whenever you're ready.
Hi, can I have a small cinnamon roll shake?
Anything else?
A small peanut butter pie blizzard,
Okay.
and a small cookie dough blizzard with chocolate ice cream.
Just have a new royal new cheesecake.
1195, going to pour on.
Where's that at?
Right there underneath the royal blizzard. Underneath the blizzard.
Oh, I saw it. Just saw it. So, ladies and gentlemen, we got. Let's turn this light on.
Dairy
Hey,
Queen.
Dairy Queen. Okay, this is the peanut butter pie blizzard.
This is the cookie dough blizzard with chocolate ice cream.
Oh my god. Okay. This is good.
There's really different colors.
It's. Oh no.
It's like the kettle corn.
Kettle corn. You know it tastes like kettle corn.
Caramel. Popcorn.
That's not kettle corn.
Love it.
Okay. I like it. It's Butterfingers.
It's not peanut butter.
Technically it is. It's not creamy.
I'm gonna try this. This is the s'more shake.
No, it's not.
This is the cinnamon roll shake. I forgot what it was.
This is the. You were so sure.
I was thinking of Arby's. It's like a snickerdoodle. There's so much cinnamon in there.
I love cinnamon.
Just like the cinnamon in the Coke at McDonald's.
Not cinnamon. Cardamom.
You said cinnamon.
I adapt that statement with cinnamon. Or, it's cardamom. This is really good. This is really good. It's hard to drink because it's so thick.
Look at that cheesecake.
It's like reminds me of like, what's her face? Fat Amy. I'm gonna finish you like a cheesecake. When she got hit with a burrito, she's like, I've been shot.
I don't really remember that movie.
Oh my god.
How did Howard be single with her in it? It was so funny.
Put a napkin here, please.
May I please try
Okay,
that
so
first?
this is the strawberry cheesequake.
Crikey.
What?
toothpick.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
And strawberries. I know. I was actually, when I wanted Dairy Queen, this is the blizzard I was thinking of when it came to my mind.
But you couldn't find it.
I didn't know that's what you were talking about. Really? Come on. You're just, what were you trying to do?
I thought there was cheesecake.
This is delicious. Ladies and gentlemen, comment below. What is your favorite blizzard from Dairy Queen? The classic. I remember a time when Dairy Queen did not own Orange Julius. Just saying. What?
What?
Well, what is wrong with
I
you?
was looking at the lights.
Cinnamon roll shake. I love, like I said before, I love anything cinnamon. God, there's little crunchies in it. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, you don't have to know. Damn. Bro. Dairy Queen. Killing it with us.
I've never had that fish. What time?
Once.
I think I've only had it once too, and I ordered it from like Uber Eats. And I got what Dad normally gets. What is it? Like the steel worker thing? Steel something. It's not that good. But like,
They used to be. Remember
I
when
got
they
their
used to be that?
Italian and I ate it. It was good.
What was the name of the pizza place that used to be there? Papa Murphy's?
I don't know. Their drive-thru was annoying. I feel like
I feel like. You feel like?
what?
I don't know. You said I feel like, and then you stop talking.
I know. I'm gonna eat all the cheesecake. Joe's. This is strawberry. There's no cheesecake.
Strawberry's so good.
I like the strawberry milkshake from Culver's.
Oh, do you know?
Custard shake.
I don't know. Anyways, are you ready to end this video, man? Hey guys, I am currently editing this video right now, and I just realized like the last 2 minutes of footage is unusable because there's something went wrong during filming. However, I just want to let you guys know that out of everything that my sister and I tried, I think I probably enjoyed the strawberry cheesecake blizzard the best. However, that cinnamon bun or cinnamon roll shake, oh my god, that was out of this world. It had little crunchies in there, like little of like cookie or something. I couldn't tell. It was really good though. But that strawberry cheesecake blizzard, when you get that next time you go to Dairy Queen, except you gotta get more like cheesecake in it. They didn't put enough. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the little bell icon so you know when I upload new videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.